Welcome to the top picks. The best temporary doors is probably one of the most versatile and essential items for any homeowner or contractor looking for a quick, effective, and often budget-friendly solution to create temporary barriers, privacy screens, or secure openings during renovations, construction projects, or even for special events, offering a practical alternative to permanent installations when you need a functional doorway without the commitment or cost of traditional framing and hanging. Number 5. RYB Home Blackout Doorway Curtains. Introducing our Blackout Doorway Curtains, designed to enhance any room in your home. They offer a simple yet effective solution for privacy and style. Crafted from 100% high-quality polyester, these curtains feel incredibly soft to the touch. The triple woven fabric ensures durability and a luxurious look. Perfect for doorways, these curtains block out unwanted light and provide excellent thermal insulation. They help keep your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter, saving you energy. Use them to divide spaces like closets, kitchens, or storage rooms. They offer a practical and attractive way to create separate areas within your home. Maintaining their beauty is simple with machine washability. They are designed for easy installation and long-lasting use. RYB Home offers a wide range of styles to complement your decor. Find the perfect match to create a harmonious and lively living space. What we like. This option offers excellent light blocking and thermal insulation. If you're looking for a simple yet effective way to divide spaces and save on energy costs, this is a great choice. It's perfect for those who want to easily cover doorways to closets or kitchens. What people say. It laundered very nicely and there was no lingering smell of chemicals or perfume. This curtain hangs smooth and straight. The curtains are blackout and keep the house cool. It's really nice for privacy as well. Number 4. XTMYI Doorway Privacy Curtain. Discover the XTMYI Doorway Privacy Curtain, designed to offer superior privacy and room division. Its elegant black design complements any decor. This curtain is designed to fit standard entry doors, providing a ruffled, accordion-like aesthetic. The 80-inch length effectively blocks drafts and insulates against cold. Crafted from heavy microfiber polyester, it offers 90 to 100% blackout for total privacy. It also provides significant thermal insulation, acting as a shield against cold air. Enjoy a quieter environment as these curtains help reduce outside noise. The durable, waterproof fabric ensures longevity and easy maintenance. Featuring a grommet top design, installation is a breeze on most curtain rods. Use it as an interior or exterior door curtain, or even for patio sunshades. Beyond doorways, it's perfect for dividing rooms, providing sun protection on patios, or even as a winter shower curtain. Its versatility makes it a true home essential. What we like. Experience superior privacy and noise reduction with this curtain. Its waterproof fabric makes it incredibly durable and versatile, suitable for various environments. If you need a robust solution for blocking light, sound, and drafts, especially in areas prone to moisture, consider this option. What people say. Very soft material with a satin-like texture. Perfect width for my doorway. Extra length at the bottom for an even taller doorway than mine. Material is so thick and light-proof. Completely blocks the light of my monitor even in a dark room. High-quality material. It even keeps one room colder than the other. The material itself is blackout. Great curtain. It blocks light really well and works perfectly as a second bedroom door. It also helps reduce some noise, though not completely. Number 3. Fake Folding Accordion Door Privacy Divider. Save on your energy bills with this smart insulation solution. It helps your air conditioner work more efficiently, cooling your room faster. This lightweight divider is perfect for both summer and winter. Use it as a soft divider to create privacy in bedrooms and bathrooms. It can also block kitchen smells, darken a room, or act as a barrier against insects. It's a more economical choice than a real door. Installation is incredibly convenient, requiring no special rods. It's designed for quick folding and unfolding. Plus, it's durable and can be easily removed for cleaning or to update your decor. This divider is ideal for closet doors, bathroom shelves, RVs, and dorm rooms. It can even be used as window curtains for a cleaner look. Keeping it clean is a breeze. It's machine washable and can be tumble dried on low. A warm iron can be used to remove any wrinkles from packaging. What we like. This is a highly economical and energy-efficient solution for your doorways. It provides privacy and insulation without the cost of a traditional door. If you're on a budget or need a temporary, easily movable privacy screen, this is an excellent fit for closets or bathrooms. What people say. Well, made of thick and attractive material that hangs well. The material is thick and good quality. The rings are sturdy as well. It helps keep the room insulated as well, as sometimes a draft would make this room freezing cold, not anymore. It also blocks out some noise and a lot of light. Number 2. NICETOWN Thermal Insulated Door Curtain. Tired of cold air sneaking in? This thick, insulated curtain acts like a shield against drafts, keeping your room warmer and reducing your heating bills. Enjoy a cozy winter without overworking your heater. Installation is a breeze with 3 flexible options. Choose adhesive strips for a drill-free setup, hooks for a secure hold, or use your existing curtain rod. It's designed to fit your door and your needs perfectly. This curtain is built for all seasons. It effectively blocks winter cold and summer heat, helping to stabilize your room's temperature and cut down on energy costs. Plus, the durable material is machine washable for easy care. We know pets are family. That's why this curtain is designed with them in mind. The bottom can be adjusted for easy pet passage, and the tough fabric can withstand curious paws, making it a harmonious addition to your home. For the best draft blocking performance, measure your door and choose a size that reaches near the floor and slightly overlaps the frame. Remember to allow for brief daily ventilation for optimal air quality. What we like. Enjoy flexible installation and year-round comfort with this insulated curtain. Its unique pet-friendly design allows easy passage for your furry friends. If you have pets and need a draft-stopping, energy-saving solution that can be installed in multiple ways, this is the ideal choice for your home. Number 1. NICETOWN Temporary Door Window Curtain. Transform your doorways and windows with our temporary curtains. Enjoy instant privacy and a touch of elegance in any room. These curtains are crafted from triple-weave blackout material, effectively blocking up to 95% of light. They also provide insulation, keeping your room cooler in summer and warmer in winter. Designed for glass doors, these curtains offer adjustable light control. Use the tiebacks to let in light or ensure full privacy when needed. Perfect for various areas in your home, including kitchens, bedrooms, living rooms, and hallways. Use them as interior or exterior door curtains to enhance any space. Installation is a breeze with standard curtain rods. Plus, they are machine washable for easy care, ensuring they look great for years to come. Made from 100% polyester, these curtains are built to last. Their simple, modern design complements any home decor style. What we like. Achieve stylish privacy and significant light blocking with this versatile curtain. The adjustable tiebacks offer flexible light control to suit your needs. If you desire a modern look for your doorways, especially glass-fronted ones, and want to control both privacy and light effectively, this is a perfect selection. What people say. It really does block the sun. It's a great-looking curtain panel and I got the aqua, which is absolutely beautiful. They completely block out light, giving us a dark room for better sleep, and the material feels high quality and durable. Installation was easy, and they hang nicely without any gaps. Perfect color and size. Does a great job of blocking out sunlight and outside temperature coolness. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.